everyone, I'm Vanessa Cicero, and today we're going to talk about how to engage all of your students during Fishbowl discussions. So in a Fishbowl, you have two students who are starting the discussion, and everybody else is sitting around the discussion, taking notes, thinking about what's happening in that discussion. And then you can have students join the conversation and students leaving the conversation. So the way we have Lucidspark facilitating this to make it a little bit easier for that collaborative note-taking, so everybody around the fishbowl gets to feel like they have a really interactive experience, they would be able to be dragging their sticky notes collaboratively. So the whole class is dragging notes and adding notes together, and they're using their sticky notes to drag out questions throughout that discussion. As the teacher, you will come in and write all of your students' names on each of the sticky notes. And then when two people are ready to start, you have two people drag their sticky note into the fishbowl. They start the verbal discussion. And then when somebody else is like, okay, I think I want to join the discussion, they'll drag their name into the fishbowl. And then that other participant, one of these originating participants, has to finish up what they were saying, and then voluntarily remove themselves from the fishbowl and become one of the digital participants. Now, everyone else is taking notes and asking questions on the board. So before this discussion starts, you set up a discussion mediator, and that person will monitor the questions. And when they notice that there is a natural position, they will interject with the questions that are coming from the outside of the fishbowl. Okay, so to set this up, we do have a template. So if you search for the Fishbowl discussions, you should find this template. When you're ready and you have all the names on the board and you've customized your prompt and everything is on here, you just use that blue share link and grab that edit share link, copy and paste that, send it out to students, and they'll all join this same board. And then you can use this board to anchor and facilitate your Fishbowl discussion.